How to download monthly statements from Avant.com. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to Avant.com. Log into your Avant account using your registered email and password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for the Statements or Documents section. It's usually found under the main menu or your account settings. Click on Statements to see a list of your monthly account statements. These are typically sorted by date, with the most recent one at the top. Now find the statement you want to download. Click the Download or PDF button next to it. Your statement will begin downloading automatically and will be saved to your device as a PDF file. You can open it using any PDF viewer and even print it if needed for your personal records or documentation. Now you know how to download monthly statements from Avant.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.